Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be doing some smoked pork chops. My name is RJ and this is Beginner's Barbecue Out. Alright guys, so here we have two thick pork chops. So we have here the new TempSpike Plus. Now they sent this to us. It's just like the other one, but this is smaller than previous version. And this is 600 feet. And just like all the other ones that they have, this one is full waterproof, dishwasher safe, wash it, you can do anything to it. So, and that is the beauty. The range is one of the biggest things that people look into. This one is 600, like I said, this is 600 feet of range. So that's pretty damn good. So we're gonna be using our Killer Hogs, our AP seasoning for these pork chops. So we're gonna just go ahead and put them just like that. And we're gonna give them a nice season on the pork chops all the way around. Make sure we get every single part of it. This is their all-purpose seasoning they have. We're gonna do it just like that. So it's gonna be a quick and simple recipe for you guys. Nothing major. We're gonna have our Traeger grill at 275 degrees. And so we're gonna keep an eye on them. Let's go ahead and put in. And also this is rechargeable and it comes with the wire so you can charge it. So as you can see, it's a little tiny one, so that makes it a little bit more better. The other one was longer, so this is tiny. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in there. We're gonna put it in here just like that. So our TempSpike's we're gonna go inside. Look, we have it on our phone, connected through our phone. We're gonna relax, watch the game, and the TempSpike's gonna let us know when it's about that time. Internal temp that we're going by is going to be about 160. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. All right, our Traeger's at 275 degrees. Let's add these bad boys in there. And we'll be back when it hits 275. Also, we're going to add this. Make sure this stays close to the grill. We're going to add it on top of our hopper. All right, our TempSpike Plus has informed us. It hit 160 degrees. Look at that. All right, so here we have our pork chops. Before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did. Alright, so make sure you guys check out this TempSpike. Remember, the previous version was only 500 feet. This new one is 600 feet, and the probe is smaller, which makes it great. Now, while I was in there, not once did it lose the connection from my phone to this at all. So the connection was strong throughout the whole house, which it was great. The other ones, every once in a while, you will lose connection, then we'll reconnect. But this one, they did a good job on this one. So remember, dishwasher safe, rechargeable, and not bad. This is very good so far. So let's go ahead and take it out. Just like that. And let's go see how our pork chops look. Look at that. So here we have our nice, delicious, thick cut pork chops with our Killer Hogs AP rub. Now you guys can there's be a link in the description if you guys want to check out the new TempSpike Plus or Killer Hogs products. Let's go ahead and have a bite. Oh, still juicy. Look at all that juice. That is some great flavor from that AP rub. Wow. I like this. This is really good. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you hit that like, that subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.